Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design an elegant fashion magazine cover in Photoshop. Start with a portrait photo, high quality, centered and full of personality. Crop it for magazine ratio and clean the tones with camera raw filter. Now place your magazine name at the top using a classy serif font, keeping the spacing wide. Now add small headlines around the model, each one subtle but well aligned. Use bold or beige for accent to give it luxury appeal. The key is not accord, let the model beneath. Add a thin border and light vignette for focus. Adjust lighting using dodge and burn